A special cabinet meeting will be held this morning to discuss the latest developments on the coronavirus as the confirmed cases in South Africa jump from 24 to 38. The World Health Organization has declared the coronavirus a pandemic. Political parties have urged government to take more stringent and decisive measures in preventing the spread of the virus. Samkele Maseko reports.
The ANC says the president may address the nation after the cabinet meeting.
Containment is not something that we are looking at the moment. You only look at that when you have a community involvement of the disease, and that hasn't happened in our country as yet.
Transport Minister Fikile Mbalula says it's the first time in history that an urgent weekend cabinet meeting has been called in democratic South Africa.
And if there are drastic measures and decisions to be taken on coronavirus going forward, they will be announced by the designated minister. And government insists with this method 24/7. It is.
The DA has called for people traveling from high-risk countries to be self-quarantined.
We would expect as a Democratic Alliance to hear a few things from President Cyril Ramaphosa. Number one, we would expect to hear that travelers coming from high-risk European countries will have to undergo mandatory self-quarantining.
The EFF has called for a travel ban.
We also call for a ban in terms of traveling, especially for the countries in Europe, as we know that those countries have been identified as those that have the highest cases of the coronavirus. Therefore, the state, for it to curb more infections and the spread of the virus, they have to put all the systems in place.
It's crunch time for the country, with other countries in virtual shutdown. What will Cabinet propose? Samkele Maseko, SABC News, Johannesburg.